What's up, everybody? Will here from St. Augustine Kayak Fishing. It's a little bit rainy today and windy, so I figured I'd show you just a little way to save a couple dollars and make yourself a brush anchor for less than $2. If you're not familiar with what a brush anchor is, it's just basically a clip that you can tie off to your kayak, and they normally retail for around $10. So they're not an expensive item anyway, but you can make one yourself for about $2. So all you need to do is, I went to Harbor Freight. We have a Harbor Freight here in town, so I went to Harbor Freight and I picked up a 14-piece Pittsburgh spring clamp set. It's various sizes. It's like $9. And then I picked up an aluminum snap set. It's basically just your D-rings. These here aren't stainless, so they're aluminum, so they're not going to last forever. If you want one that's going to last for a long time, upgrade your D-rings to stainless, and it'll last a lot longer. Basically, a piece of paracord, your clamp, a keychain ring. That's another little key that you're going to need. Just pulled this off an old keychain. Everybody's got an old keychain laying around. So these clips, they're just a spring clip, nothing special. They're plastic, which I like in the salt water. It doesn't rust. You're gonna take your keychain ring, which is just a split ring, big split ring, and run it through the hole here, just like that. All right, pretty simple, yeah. Paracord, just a piece of paracord. Nothing crazy, just tie yourself, get you a little bit tag out there and tie yourself 2 or 3 overhand knots on top there. Just like that. And then take the other end, do the same thing around your D-ring. Alright, and there you have it. There's a simple brush anchor. Clip this to whatever you're clipping to, a bridge pylon or a limb or anything that you need to clip onto. Clip that onto, and then this end here, clip to your kayak, whether it be to your anchor trolley or to your seat or to a clevis or wherever you want to hook it to. Rod holder doesn't, and your length of your paracord is going to vary. I just grabbed a piece of paracord I had laying around for demonstration purposes. I'd probably use a little bit longer one, maybe a 5 or 6 foot piece. But other than that, that's a simple way to make a brush anchor, and you do it like you buy them at Harbor Freight, and it's going to cost you less than $2 to make this. And you can make multiples. If you buy the packages, you make multiples. So pretty simple, real easy, real effective way to anchor yourself. Especially I use them really a lot whenever I'm sheepshead fishing. So that's probably my #1 way I anchor whenever I'm sheepshead fishing, with a brush anchor. So there you go, budget friendly, effective, with getting a plastic spring clip that will help a lot, not rusting. And these are aluminum, they're not going to last forever, so if you want it to last longer, get a stainless D-ring carabiner clip. So but there you have it. That's it. Thanks for watching.